Hello everyone. First of all, I want to thank everyone who was on my webinar the last week. I've done a lot of one-on-one sessions since then, and it's really exciting to get to know the people that are actually watching my videos. So I want to thank you for that. If you're one of those people, if you don't mind dropping a comment below the video and just sharing a little bit of your experience with the one-on-ones that I did with you. The other thing I want to share with you is something very exciting. So I have something for you that is brand new, hot off the press. So check out this rest of this video and you're going to learn something that's going to help your business and make money online. Okay, so what I have for you is I'm going to do another live session tomorrow night, Friday night. So make sure you look in the description below. You check back Friday night, Eastern time at 7 p.m. So adjust your schedule, whatever it is. So you're probably asking, well, what is it? Well, it is a new software that is going to help you that are interested in making money online, in particular drop shipping. It's going to help broaden your ability to drop ship. Now, this is a very new software. And what I'm going to do is I have someone on that's an expert from the software company. He's going to talk a little bit about the company. You're going to be able to interact with us, ask questions, see what it is, and perhaps sign up. Now, they are in a beta version of something. I don't know if he wants to talk about that or not, but it's something I haven't seen in any other software. But however, it is something I have done since the year 2003 that most people don't do in drop shipping. And when you're a drop shipper, you're trying to get in the front wave. Like, you're supposed to be thinking outside the box. That's my channel. I say, see you on the other side. You're trying to think the way other people don't think. All right. So you're trying to source from other places. You're trying to list in different ways. You're trying to do all sorts of various options that's going to attract the buyer. So this company and this interview hopefully will serve to you a new way to do things. Now, it is still evolving, but you can be on the front end of that evolution, just like I was in 2003 when I was doing this, and it didn't even have the word drop shipping attached to it. So get ahead of the wave. Join me tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern time. Look in the description below for the link and you can join us. Go to my website, amyhunt.biz, and you'll also get information there. You can get connected. And I appreciate you watching this, and hopefully I see your questions pop up on our chat tomorrow night, and I look forward to meeting you on chat. And we'll see you tomorrow night.